All right, we are back finally. It's been a little while. So, trying to get through the whole Suede band. Did their, I want to say it's their fifth album, Morning, A New Morning. Reviewed that song by song. Pretty good album. And then I went back to their debut album and reviewed that because a lot of people said it was the best. I thought that was very good. Gave it some good ratings. Good, very good songs on there. Higher than A New Morning, but not too different a rating, I would say. Pretty close. I rate on a 10-point scale, just so you know. I think each of those albums were in the mid to high sevens, I believe. So I'm going to do the second album now, Dogman Star, which was released a year after the debut in 1994. Um, this album also has gotten high praise from people I trust. I've never heard it. Okay, well, I have heard like maybe one song off it, and I didn't really like it, one or two songs. So, but I wasn't really seriously listening to it. So today I'm going to seriously listen to it, every song, song by song. I'll chop this up into a video per song to make it easier to go through, and we'll see if it's any good. If I don't like it, if I do, we'll see. Well, who knows? We'll see. All right, let's start with the first song, which is introducing the band. Okay, well, that was introducing the band. Um, a very full atmospheric guitars. Felt like you were in a huge ballroom full of guitars. So that was pretty cool. The bass was fat, sitting underneath all of it. Pretty much playing the same riff though. It's a pretty short song, 2.5 minutes. Wasn't a big fan of his voice treatment there, but was okay. Interesting. Interesting way to introduce the band in this their second album. So gave that one a 6. And we'll see. I don't know. Sometimes when I react to these videos, or excuse me, when I react to these songs, I'm hearing them for the first time, and I'm a grower. Yeah, I like music to grow on me. A lot of times, not every time, but a lot of times I won't like music initially, right? I don't know. I don't know why that is. Sometimes, it'll hit me immediately, but some other times, I need a little time to get, comfortable with it. I don't know. That's just me. So 6 for introducing the band, and next video, next song. Really. Be back.